Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AG Grid from your web UI dashboard. Complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall AG Grid from your web UI dashboard, start by opening your project directory. Locate the file where AG Grid is installed, usually in the package.json file. Open the package.json file in your preferred code editor. Find the AG Grid dependencies, which may be listed as AG Grid Community or AG Grid React. Select the appropriate dependency you want to remove. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project folder using the command line. Once you're in the project directory, use the package manager you are utilizing. If you're using npm, type npm uninstall AG Grid Community or npm uninstall AG Grid React. If you're using yarn, type yarn remove AG Grid Community or yarn remove AG Grid React. Press enter to execute the command. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After successfully removing AG Grid, check your codebase for any AG Grid imports. Open the files that previously utilized AG Grid components. Remove any import statements related to AG Grid. Next, eliminate any AG Grid component instances or references in your render methods. Ensure to replace any grid functionalities with alternative solutions or component libraries. Once you've modified your codebase, save all changes. Run your application to ensure it works correctly without AG Grid. Look out for any errors or warnings that might indicate missed references or imports. If there are issues, revisit your files and double-check for all AG Grid-related code. Finally, test the overall functionality of your UI dashboard to confirm a smooth uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.